Welcome back to our gardening channel where we explore the diverse world of living organisms. Today we're excited to introduce to you Gypsywort, a fascinating herb with rich history and a range of uses. Join us as we uncover the details of this captivating plant. Gypsywort has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It has been utilized for centuries in European folklore for its believed healing properties in association with various myths and legends. Gypsywort is a perennial herb that typically grows to a height of 1 to 3 feet. It features lance-shaped, toothed leaves that are arranged in opposite pairs along the stem. The plant produces clusters of small white or pale pink flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Gypsywort thrives in moist, shady environments such as wetlands, meadows, and the banks of streams or ponds. It prefers rich, loamy soil but can adapt to different soil types. This hardy plant is known for its ability to tolerate wet conditions and even partial submersion. Gypsywort can serve as a beneficial companion plant in certain garden settings. Its dense growth and shade tolerance make it suitable for planting alongside other shade-loving plants. Additionally, its attractive flowers can attract beneficial insects to the garden. Gypsywort has various traditional uses in herbal medicine. It is believed to have astringent and anti-inflammatory properties and has been used to support digestive health, ease menstrual discomfort, and promote overall well-being. It can be prepared as a tea, tincture, or herbal infusion. And there you have it, a closer look at the captivating Gypsywort. Its rich history, distinct features, and traditional uses make it a valuable addition to any garden or herbal remedy collection. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing plant profiles. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.